The most feared disease in the 19th century was cholera. It is an illness that could kill within hours of symptoms appearing. This deadly disease first made its unwelcome appearance in Britain in 1831, tearing through the population and claiming the lives of over 26,000 people. The prevailing theory of the time was that cholera was caused by spontaneous generation or miasma, leading to attempts to clean houses and streets. However, these efforts were futile in halting the disease's spread. A second cholera outbreak in 1848 and 1849 was even more devastating, taking over 52,000 lives. Enter John Snow, a physician working in London during the 1848 cholera epidemic. Snow had a theory that cholera was transmitted orally, through what a person ate or drank. The 1854 cholera outbreak gave Snow the opportunity to put his theory to the test. He began by mapping the addresses of those who had died in Soho, London, an area where over 700 people had perished in the first 10 days of the cholera epidemic. Snow discovered a common thread among the victims. Most of them collected their water from one pump on Broad Street. Taking matters into his own hands, Snow removed the pump handle, preventing people from using it. The result? The number of cholera deaths in Soho dropped dramatically. Snow presented his findings to the government, demonstrating a clear link between the Broad Street water pump and the cholera outbreak. However, his findings did not immediately lead to significant action or change in public understanding. Many scientists still believe that miasma, not the water itself, caused the disease. Snow's groundbreaking work only began to gain widespread acceptance after Pasteur's germ theory was introduced, which helped people understand that diseases could indeed spread through water. In conclusion, cholera was a ruthless killer in 19th century Britain, but it also sparked a significant development in our understanding of disease transmission. John Snow, through his bold actions and tireless research, laid the groundwork for future advancements in public health. His work, though initially met with skepticism, eventually led to a better understanding of how diseases spread, changing the face of public health forever.